Cooking from home can be a great experience, but let's be honest, nobody likes a messy kitchen or the cleanup that comes after. This is especially true when working around a stovetop with pots, pans, and everything else you need to get a meal made. What if there was a product that could minimize your efforts while simultaneously keeping your stovetop clean and organized? Introducing the LidSitter, a kitchen accessory that actually makes the cooking experience better. The LidSitter attaches to virtually every kind of lid on the market, and once it's on, you can simply rest it on the side of the pot or pan. This keeps it right where it needs to be, without getting in the way or taking up any counter space. Plus, you never have to touch the lid, and the lid never has to touch the counter, so burns and inconvenient spills are a thing of the past. Liquid and condensation slides easily back into the pot, keeping the countertop spotless and clean. You even have a place to rest the cooking utensil so that everything can stay together. It's incredibly durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. The LidSitter was designed to streamline the cooking experience and consolidate space, all while keeping your surroundings clean and organized. After countless iterations, months of testing, and wonderful community feedback, the final design is here. With your pledge, manufacturing can begin on the LidSitter and shipments can commence immediately. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ron. I've been an inventor and a designer for Speedo, Dyson and now Samsung Electronics. The RMDLO Colander has been in the making for the last 10 years. Although this product looks pretty simple, it takes accuracies of down to the 10th of a millimeter to really make it work. And I had to pull all of my design skills in order to pull this off.
Hi, my name's Fred, and I'm the second half of the Armadillo team. Our product has a number of great uses, whether using it in the home, within the kitchen, or perhaps taking it with you to a picnic in the great outdoors, or maybe even something a little bit more extreme, such as camping, hiking. Thanks to its unique and easily storable size, it's a great item that can come with you wherever you go. I was in a restaurant with my friend and I wanted to see what he thought of the product. And actually a lady on my left leant over and she asked me, "What is that?" And when I revealed the product, she was absolutely blown away.
This design is patent pending. We've done that to protect it. Cool inventions are always worth protecting.
For us at Armadillo, we're trying our best to get into a market governed by very large players. And if it weren't for platforms such as Kickstarter, this would be an insurmountable task.
We came to Kickstarter because there's no better place to offer such a unique product. Kickstarter is the best way to give a special crowd an opportunity to get involved at an early stage.
So, fellow Kickstarters, you've seen our product, heard our story, and met the brains behind our operation. All that's left to ask is for your backing. Check the rewards on our page, including our limited edition Kickstarter prize. Well, thanks for watching, and on behalf of all the team, we really appreciate your pledge.
So 3 years ago, we started tinkering with electronic boards, pumps, and a countless amount of liquor containers that, quite frankly, we can't even remember. After testing several prototypes, we finally came up with a cool product that we are proud of. Somabar allows you to make craft cocktails without having to use a shaker, bar spoon, measuring cup, or a recipe book. It allows you to make your own craft cocktails, or better yet, share those brilliant concoctions with your friends. It truly brings out the mixologist in you.
Somabar is an intelligent mixologist. It gives you the ability to infuse bitters, pour precisely, and thoroughly mix every cocktail, all before dispensing at the push of a button. We have created our patent-pending Soma pods, replacing the use of conventional bottles. Simply fill your Soma pods with your favorite ingredients and plug them into your Somabar. They're also dishwasher safe, durable, and portable.
After many attempts, designs, and models, we finally have a functional prototype. Our team has paid special attention to every little detail regarding safety, utility, and performance. Somabar has been designed utilizing Lean and Six Sigma principles, making the technology affordable. When you press that button on the app, your Somabar will take ingredients from scratch, infuse bitters if you're in the mood, and dynamically mix them in precise quantities using positive displacement pumps before pouring out your craft cocktail in less than 5 seconds. The mixing comes from a combination of liquid's kinetic energy and turbulence created by static vanes. Our onboard software and sensors enable an easy and fun user experience. Our contract manufacturers are ready to get started in supporting us to meet all US and international compliance standards, ensuring every Somabar works perfectly.
Hi guys, we are Ototo, the team behind Swanky. The design is finished and we are about to start production. Now we need help to bring Swanky into your kitchen. Back us and don't let it sink.